Good morning, children. In this video, I'll explain to you about an example. We have learnt already basic proportionality theorem, but still I don't want you to use that in problems, certain problems. I want you to apply only similarity. Why it is, I'll explain to you. Basic proportionality theorem is important. There is no denial about that. That concept you have to understand. Basic proportionality as well as converse of basic proportionality you have to remember and understand. But in most of the problems you will have to use similarity. Why is it that? How is that? I will explain to you with this example. This example I have told you in the last video also, but once again I am going to repeat it. DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. D divides AB. D divides AB in the ratio 2:3. In the ratio 2:3, you have to find AE by EC. AE by EC, AE by AC, AE by AC, and then you have to find DE if BC is 7.5 centimeter. BC is 7.5 centimeter. So you have to find all this. What is given is DE is parallel to BC and D divides AB in the ratio 2:3. This is what is given and we have to find this. Why I say you should use similarity and not basic proportionality is, basic proportionality theorem deals with only two sides. That is, this line is dividing these two sides proportionally. It is not talking about the third side. So you can end up making a mistake about the third side. If you have to consider the third side, you have to use similarity. So that is why I want you to use similarity and not basic proportionality in this kind of problems, because or you have to specifically remember that basic proportionality is applicable only for the two sides, these two sides, and not for the base. For the base, similarity is the what is applicable. This you have to remember. So to be on the safer side, I will better recommend that you use only similarity and don't go for basic proportionality in these things. So I hope you understood. Now I will solve the problem, this problem. Then you will understand how to use similarity in this. So this is given. Now I will explain what is given, etc., and then you will understand. What is given? Given is DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC and AD by DB is equal to 2:3. AD by DB is equal to DB is equal to 2:3. This is given. That means this is 2x and this is 3x. This is 2x and this is 3x. This is given. So now we have to find AE by EC. AE by EC and AE by AC. So this part we have to find. This you can easily find by basic proportionality, but this you have to use similarity. So what I am going to do, I am going to use similarity everywhere. So now this is the solution or proof. So what I will say, angle D is equal to angle B. Whenever you see two parallel lines, you have to immediately think of the similarity. You have to, whenever you see two parallel lines anywhere, you have to think of two similar triangles in that. Anywhere, as soon as you see two parallel lines, immediately the concept of similarity should strike you. So now angle D is equal to B, corresponding angles. These two angles are equal. and these two angles are also equal by corresponding angles. Angle E is equal to angle C. These are corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC by angle-angle similarity. By angle-angle similarity. I hope you understood. This part you have understood. Now, therefore, I can write, therefore, AD by AB, you have to remember, AD by AB is equal to AE by AC is equal to DE by BC. AD by AB is equal to AE by AC is equal to DE by BC, because corresponding in similar triangles, corresponding sides are proportional. Proportional means same ratio. Corresponding sides are proportional. So this one thing, one part you have to understand clearly. Now, if this is in the ratio 2:3, the total will be 2:5. That also you know. Now, so therefore, AE by this thing. If you want AE by EC, this alone you can use, for this alone you can say proportionality theorem. By basic proportionality theorem you can use. For all other things you can use this thing. So I hope this understood. I am going to erase this. AD by DB is equal to 2/3 given, and DE is parallel to BC given. Therefore, AE by EC is also equal to 2/3 by basic proportionality theorem. By basic proportionality theorem, AE by EC is also equal to 2/3, because that is by basic proportionality theorem that you have understood. You already have understood. Now, AE by AC will be, if this is 2x, this is 2x, this is 2y and 3y. So it will be 2y by 5y. 2y by 5y, which will be equal to 2/5. Which will be equal to AE by AC will be equal to 2y by 5y, which will be 2/5. So one thing we have understood. Only for this much you can use basic proportionality theorem. I am going to erase this. Next is DE by BC will also be equal to AD by AB. Or AE by AC, which will be equal to 2/5. Therefore, DE by BC is equal to 2/5. Now, given that BC is 7.5, DE we have to find out. DE is how much we have to find out. So, I am going to do this here. DE by 7.5 is equal to 2/5. Therefore, DE is equal to 2/5 into 7.5. So, this is, when you cut it, it is 1.5. 2 into 1.5 is 3 centimeter. So, DE is 3 centimeter. So, I hope you understood. You can use completely this also. So this I can say AE by AC is 2/5. If this is 2/5, this has to be 2 and 3. Like that also I can say. So for this you have to remember, if this is 2z, this will be 5z. If this is 2z, this will be 5z. So like that you have to remember this. So without using basic proportionality theorem, if you have to so, you can write it like this. That is AD by AB will be equal to 2x by 5x, which is equal to 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Now AE by AC is also equal to 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Then that means therefore AE by EC is also equal to 2 by 3. Because if this is 2y and total is 5y, this has to be 3y. 2 by 5 because similar triangles. Triangle ADBE is similar to triangle ABC. And because they are similar, the sides are of the same ratio. Therefore I can say AE by EC is equal to 2 by 3. I can write like this. Without basic proportionality theorem, I can write like this. I hope you understood. So why I am applying the basic proportionality, similarity is, for these sides, basic proportionality is not applicable. So only to make you understand that I am totally applying similarity. If you understand, you can apply both of them, but this difference you have to be clear about. This is not 2:3. This is segments, 2:3. This is whole. This and this are whole side. So this will be 2:5. This difference you have to remember and you have to understand. I hope you understood this example. How to use similarity for whenever this kind of problem comes. Thank you very much for watching this video.